Hello po, ilang linggo na lang matatapos na ang Jubilee Year. At para po dun sa ating mga kababayan dito sa UAE, kung hindi man kayo nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na bubisita sa Rome at makita ang Holy Doors, pwede naman po kayong magsagawa ng pilgrimage dito sa Saint Anthony of Padua Catholic Church dito sa Ras Al Khaimah. At sa likod ko nga po, makikita nyo na napakaayos na guide. Yan po, may guide dyan, at saka po merong pilgrimage booklet na ma-access dyan. At you can actually use itong holiday para bubisita dito at magsagawa ng pilgrimage pa. So, napakagandang experience po ito. At basahin ko lang po ito. Sabi dito, ang plenary indulgence, even after the guilt of our sins is forgiven by God in the sacrament of confession, a temporal punishment still remains. Through penance, either on earth or in purgatory, after we die, our hearts are purified from these punishments to grow in love of God. As one body in Jesus, the grace of Christ and the prayers and sacrifice of the saints can also help us. We receive this help through an indulgence. Indulgence are either plenary, where the soul is cleansed from all the punishment of sin, or partial, only part of the punishment is removed in proportion to one's love for God. To gain a plenary indulgence, one must perform the indulgence work. Have gone to confession within the past 2 weeks, receive Holy Communion within 2 weeks, pray and our Father, Hail Mary, and plead for the intentions of the Pope, and not be attached to even venial sins, otherwise the indulgence is partial. So yan po ay napakahalaga. So ito po ay ang Jubilee Church dito sa UAE. So tara na po, kasi pag hindi po kayo nakabisita or nakapag-pilgrimage, ay 25 years po uli ang bibilangin. So God bless you all, and ingat po kayo habang kayo ay nasa holiday. Ako po si Raquel Salinel para sa The Filipino Correspondent Network. Your news, your story, your network.